Welcome everyone. Today I am going to discuss an important topics of definite integrations, that is standard results of properties of definite integration and its applications. Standard result of definite integrations. So look, for example, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx equals to 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. So this result is pi by 2 log half. So my suggestion will be, you must prove this result first. You know, all of you know it. This is a standard problem of board syllabus. We consider this as A, this as I, and using properties of definite integration, this one 0 to A fx dx equals to 0 to A f of A minus x dx. Then we can find the result. So you must prove this result. You get this result in every standard book. So my aim will be how we can apply this result to some important problems of competitive exam in very few seconds. So let us start. Now, problem number 1, 2 and 3, they are of same type, exactly same. So we take suppose problem number 2. So problem number 2, we consider this as I. 0 to pi x log sin x dx. So if limit is given 0 to pi by 2, we use properties of definite integral. Otherwise you may think that it is problem of integration by parts. So by this property we are replacing x by pi minus x, upper limit minus x. So log sin x dx. So log sin pi minus x dx. Now this one is again pi minus x log cos x dx. Sorry, log sin x dx. So call it 2 and this one is 1. So what is our main aim? Our main aim is to cancel x, because look, in our standard result x is not present. Now if we add these two equations, then we get 2i equals to 0 to pi by 2. So x cancel, pi into log sin x dx. Now pi outside, 0 to pi, not pi by 2. Look, this one is pi log sin x dx. Now we have a result. Look, 0 to twice a fx dx equals to 2 into 0 to a fx dx. This is standard result of definite integration. So when fx equals to f upper limit minus x, when fx equals to f of upper limit minus x. So look, What is our upper limit? Upper limit is pi. So log sin pi minus x is again log sin x. So this pi we can write by this above property. This is pi into 2 into 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. So 2 pi, and this one is our standard result. So this is pi by 2 log half. So finally pi square log half. Pi square log half. Pi square log half. This is 2i. Now what is I? Pi square by 2 log of half. This one. So 1, 2, 3, they are exactly same. Now look, this is given in pi by 4 to minus. So we consider 3. So look, 3. So I equals to minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 log sin x plus cos x dx. Now we can use King's rule. What is King's rule? A to b fx dx equals to A to b f upper limit plus lower limit minus x dx. We use this property first. So what is A plus b? A plus b is 0. So here we have to express x by minus x only. So this is minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 log sin of minus x plus cos of minus x dx. Now look, if we simplify it, we get minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 log cos x minus sin x. So dx, this is 2 and original result is 1. So if we consider these two, 2i equals to minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Look, we are omitting one step. Log sin x plus cos x, log cos x minus sin x. So addition, so this will be cos square x minus sin square x dx. So minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 log cos of 2x dx is most important problem for board also. So look, this is even function. So we know if it is even function, then minus a to plus a fx dx equals to twice of 0 to a fx dx. So 2i equals to 2 into 0 to pi by 4 log cos 2x dx. Now look, our result is here pi by 2 and this is x. So we put a transformations. So transformations, what is the transformations? So 2x equals to z, dx equals to dz by 2. So we get 2 into half 0 to pi by 2. If we change the limit, log cos z dz. Now finally 2 into 0 to pi by 2 to cancel, log sin x, log cos x dx. So this is dummy variable. Now using result, this is pi by 2 log half. So this is 2i. So what is I? I equals to pi square by 2 log half. I equals to pi square by 2 log half. So this one, pi square by 2 log half. So this is pi by 2 log of this. So I think this is log sin x plus cos x. So this is pi square by 4. Or if we take it log 1 minus log 2, so I think this is pi square by 2 log 2. So correct it. Now these two problems 4 and 5 most important for JEE Main, so they are exactly same. So we consider problem number 5. So what is our integrations? So 0 to infinity log x plus 1 by x by 1 plus x square dx. So we know this limit is infinite. So it will be finite if we put x equals to tan theta or x equals to 1 by y. But since it is 1 plus x square, we put x equals to tan theta. So dx is sec square theta d theta. So change of limit is like that 0 0 infinity pi by 2. So this is 0 to pi by 2 log tan theta plus 1 by tan theta cot theta d theta. Why it is d theta? Dx is sec square theta. 1 plus x square is sec square theta. So this one is cancel out. Now look, this one 4 and 5 exactly same. Now we write it in terms of sin and cos. Log sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta d theta. So if you simplify, this is 0 to pi by 2 log 1 by sin theta cos theta d theta. Now this equals to, again log 0 to pi by 2 log 1 d theta 0 to pi by 2 log sin theta d theta 0 to pi by 2 log cos theta d theta. So here log in mathematics, for log we always suppose that base is e unless otherwise stated. We can use ln or log. If it is log, then also base is e. Now this one is 0, so this is minus and this is pi by 2 log half. This is again pi by 2 log half. Pi by 2 log half and minus at the beginning. So minus pi log half, that is pi log 2. Pi log 2. Now this and this are exactly same. Now 6 and 7 same problem. 6 and 7 same problem. So we consider problem number 7. So 7, 0 to 1 sin inverse x by x dx. So we put a transformation. Suppose x equals to sin theta. So what is dx? Cos theta d theta. Now change of limit. If it is 0, then it is 0. If it is 1, then pi by 2. So x equals to sin theta, dx equals to cos theta d theta. So changing limit, we get 0 to pi by 2. So sin inverse x. So this is theta. Dx is cos theta d theta, and this is sin theta. So 0 to pi by 2, theta cos theta d theta. Now this reduces to problem number 6. Now we integrate it by parts. So this one has first function, this one has second function. So theta unchanged. Integration of cot theta, log sin theta 0 to pi by 2 minus 0 to pi by 2. Look, derivative of theta is 1, and this is log sin theta d theta. Now this part is 0. So what we are getting, this part is 0. What we are getting for the second part, 0 to pi by 2 log sin theta d theta. So this is minus pi by 2 log half. So pi by 2 log 2. Pi by 2 log 2. So look, this is our standard result. And using this standard result, we can solve so many problems. So this is one standard integral. Next we consider the others. Next, look, this is also well-known standard result. So 0 to 1, integration 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x whole to the power n dx equals to 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. So I am saying repeatedly, you must prove the result. So proof is very simple. So look, if we consider this as I, so 1 minus x whole to the power n dx. Now this power is n, so you have to expand it by binomial theorem. But to avoid it, we use property. So x is replaced by upper limit minus x. So what is the property? 0 to a fx dx equals to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now look, here this is single x only. So we can multiply it x to the power n minus x to the power n plus 1 dx. So if we integrate, look, this is 1 by n plus 2 x to the power n plus 2. So put the value, this one, and if you simplify, you get n plus 1 into n plus 2. So very easy to remember. Now look, application. So this is application. A 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x whole to the power 100 dx. So 1 by 101 into 102. So no need of discussing, very simple, n is replaced by 100. So 100 plus 1 and 100 plus 2. For the rest one, you look, n is replaced by 50. So 51 into 52. Next. So 0 to pi sine nx by sin x equals to 0 if n is even, if n is even integer, if n is even integer. So applications. So 0 to pi sin 4x by sin x dx equals to 0. Look, 0 to pi sin 8x by sin x equals to 0. Now look, this is 4 is even, so value is 0, 8 is even, value is 0. So what is the proof of the original result? So look, this is 0 to pi sin nx by sin x dx. All of you know it, x is replaced by pi minus x. So this is sine of pi minus x. Now n is even number. Suppose n equals to 2m. So 2m into pi minus x sine of pi minus x dx. So n equals to 2m. Now you know, look, sine 2m pi minus x minus 2mx by sin x dx. So sin 2 pi minus theta in fourth quadrant, this is negative. So sin 2mx dx by sin x with negative value. Now this is minus 0 to pi sin nx by sin x dx. So look, this is I and this is again minus I. So 2I equals to 0. So if you remember this result, you can directly write that. So look, value. Now look, it is also a standard result. 0 to pi x dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x equals to pi square by 2ab. Now we know, so I am saying repeatedly, you must prove these results. So look, if x is absent, we know we have to multiply numerator and denominator by sec square x, then put tan x equals to z. But here, due to presence of x, you have to write this as I and replacing x by pi minus x and adding, you get result. So this is very standard result. You can consult any standard book for proof. Now application. So look, so if we if we remember this result, so look, then you can directly write the value. So what is the result of the first problem? Look, x dx by 4 cos square x plus 9 sin square x. So what is the result? Pi square by 2. What is a? A square is 4. So a is 2, b is 3. So pi square by 12. This is not magic. So you remember only the standard result and its applications. Now look for this one. So this is pi square by 2 into root 2 into root 3. So pi square by 2 root 6. So look, if it is 4 marks problem, so if you know this result, you can write the value in few seconds. Next. Now standard result 5. So 0 to 1 x to the power m into 1 minus x whole to the power n dx equals to factorial m into factorial n by factorial m plus n plus 1. So look, we have calculated this one x into this, but here power of x also m. So look here, mn are integer. So to prove it, so look, you have to put x equals to sine square theta. So what is dx? 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. This one. So this integral reduces to, for 0, for x equals to 0, theta equals to 0. For x equals to 1, this is pi by 2. So sine square theta whole to the power m, 1 minus sine square theta whole to the power n into 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. So 2 outside, 0 to pi by 2, sine to the power 2m plus 1, this is 2m, this is 1, cos to the power 2n plus 1 theta d theta. So using properties of gamma function, you can easily deduce this result. So what is our result? You consult any standard book. This is gamma 2m plus 1 by 2, 2m, so gamma m plus 1. This is gamma n plus 1 by 2 into 4m plus 2, so gamma m plus n plus 1. Now we have a property, this is gamma function, gamma m plus 1 equals to factorial m. So in one class I will discuss this property, so you take this as standard result now. So you are getting the proof, 2 to cancel this one. Now if we use this result, look, what is our problem number 1? So x cube into 1 minus x whole to the power 10 dx. So what is the value? Value is, so value is, look, factorial 3 into factorial 10 by 3 plus 10 13 factorial 14. Similarly, you can solve these problems. So, in this video, I have discussed using standard result how we can apply it in practical problems in very few seconds. So these are the results for this class. Thank you.